Fix FreeReels buffering lag, how to troubleshoot connection in FreeReels. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how you can troubleshoot connection in FreeReels, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to troubleshoot connection in FreeReels, what you essentially have to do is you have to go ahead and then first of all check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and then see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, if you're using the FreeReels app on Android, long press the FreeReels app icon, then just tap on the I button that says App Info. Then from here, you can go to storage usage, clear the cache files, and you can also clear the data. Clearing the data will log you out of your account, so make sure you've logged into your account first. Go to your Play Store or App Store and you want to simply search for the FreeReels application and you want to check if the FreeReels app has an update, and if it does, then just make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.